Hey everyone, welcome back to iFlera. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to install IntelliJ IDEA on your Mac, whether you're using an Intel-based Mac or an Apple Silicon model. This guide works for both, so let's jump right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser. I'm using Brave, but you can also use Safari, Chrome, or Firefox. In the search bar, type Download IntelliJ IDEA and hit Enter. Click on the official JetBrains website from the search results. I've also added the direct link in the video description below. Once you're on the download page, select your Mac type, Intel or Apple Silicon, then click the Download button. Save the installer file to your Downloads folder. The time it takes will depend on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A new window will appear. Drag the IntelliJ IDEA icon into the Applications folder. This will install the app on your Mac. After that, you can close the window and move the installer to the trash. Next, open Finder, go to the Applications folder, and launch IntelliJ IDEA. If you see a pop-up saying, IntelliJ IDEA was downloaded from the internet, click Open to continue. On first launch, you'll need to agree to the user agreement. Click Continue to proceed. If you have a license key, choose Activate Code and enter your information. Otherwise, click Start Free Trial to begin using the free version. And that's it. IntelliJ IDEA is now installed on your Mac and ready for your next coding project. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy tech tutorials from iFlera. See you in the next one.